Hello everyone. So today we're going to do homemade lava lamps, and most of the ingredients hopefully you can find at your house so you don't have to go out. Start with vegetable oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil you have at home, coconut oil, corn oil, just straight up vegetable oil. You need water. If you have food coloring, that's awesome. You can do it without food coloring, but the actual color of the lava will come from the food coloring. And then if you have any type of antacid tablets, like Alka-Seltzer, anything like that, we'll use those to create the bubbles. All right, so you start with your water. You fill it about 1/4 full in a jar. You can use any jar. I'm using just a straight up mason jar. You can use a water bottle. If you have a plastic water bottle, you can use pretty much anything you want, if it's clear, so you can see everything happening. So we're gonna fill it up 1/4 up with water to start. The water goes first. And then the rest of it is going to be filled with the vegetable oil. And this is brand new, so I have to open it up. Okay. So the rest of it will be the vegetable oil. There you go. All right, so you can use any color, food coloring. I've got blue, yellow, red, and green. My favorite color is blue, so I'm gonna start with that. If you wanna make your own color, you can combine. So blue and red would make purple. And I'm not really sure, let's see. I'm just gonna pour in a whole bunch. I'm not really sure how much to do, so I probably used quite a bit. I would say maybe about half of the food coloring, or 3/4 of it. All right, now I'm gonna get my antacid tablet and put it in there. And that's what will cause the reaction, the chemical reaction. So the antacid, the fizzy part of it, will combine with the food coloring and olive oil to hopefully create some bubbles here. Let's see what happens. So you can see the bubbles starting to come up. The food coloring is making them blue. And that's it. So you can keep, if you add too much antacid, it will erupt over. So start with just one. And that's how you make a little homemade lava lamp. And you can just watch the reaction. I might try and put some red food coloring in and see if we can get our bubbles to turn to purple. See what happens if we put 2 different colors in. And now that the reaction has calmed down a little bit, let's see what happens if I put another one in. I'm doing this outside because if I put too much in, it will erupt over. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't want it to, because I actually like this. And I just like to experiment with the bubbles and watch them come up. Uh-oh, let's see. Is it gonna go over? So combining the blue and the red made it almost super dark purple, because I probably had a lot more blue food coloring than red in there. It almost looks black, but it is still purple, I think. It's just really dark. And when I put too much Alka-Seltzer in, it almost makes the bubbles disappear, and it just creates one big reaction up. So it's probably better just to do one at a time, so that you get the bubbles and not just one big movement of the olive oil up into the top. Okay, so that's a homemade lava lamp. I hope everybody's doing well, and you can experiment with how much Alka-Seltzer, how much food coloring, and enjoy. See you guys hopefully soon.